Tignan niyo po ang record ng ating mga kandidato. Wala sa kanila ang may bahid ng dugo dahil sa tukhang.
You are applying to be president of the country. Senator Bongbong, how much do you know about illegal drugs in the country? Gaano kalala ito?
Unang-una, kailangan natin ituloy ang war on drugs kung tawagin because the problem continues to exist. Nandiyan pa rin ang problema. I think everybody can see the influence of drug lord.
Do you consider it a health issue or a crime?
Oh, most certainly. Because talaga naman, hindi tumatagal ang mga adik eh. Their health is always at risk. They are not productive. They are not productive members of society. They do not even help themselves. What they are doing is destroying themselves. So yes, it is a health issue. It is one of the great problems that we face in the modern world. Kasi marami na tayong adik.
Sabi niyo po, ipagpapatuloy ko ang war on drugs.
Yes.
Is it going to be bloody?
Well, even in the enforcement side,